Hi there, it's your boy Ben here. I'm a paleontologist from Southern Australia and I'm diving back more than 5 to 6 million years in Bayside, Melbourne. What is it that I'm pointing to here? Looks a little bit like caramel gooey chocolate. Blah. No, it's not that at all. It's actually part of the molar loaf, a partial tooth from one of the largest marsupials that ever existed, Zygomaturus. Very cool. So, as you just saw, this specimen was collected from the bottom of the seafloor in Bayside, Melbourne, Australia, a locality that dates back roughly 5 to 6 million years of age, but it was from a new site that we found in 2018. We called the site after Isla Sorna in Jurassic Park, in case you were really wondering. Yes, we are that nerdy. But this specimen is particularly interesting for a number of reasons. The first, of course, that it belongs to a giant type of marsupial. It's the partial tooth molar loaf of Zygomaturus, a creature that probably got to the same size as a cow and a face that only a mother could love. Check out this paleo art. Ugh, no thanks. The other reason it's so intriguing is that this is the very first evidence of terrestrial, land-based megafauna from Site B. Makes you think, what else is out there? Burn out. Hi there, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you're on YouTube. If you're on a different platform like Instagram, thanks for just being you. Join us in the next episode as we talk about those terrific pseudo-toothed birds, the pelargonithids. We find evidence of some of the largest macropredators of all time, the killer sperm whales, and even find the barb of a gigantic stingray at the bottom of the sea floor in Bayside, Melbourne. Ben out.